Hello and welcome to another video. Challenge yourself and stimulate your brain. Help your brain to be active. So remember to subscribe. So let's see this question. Solve this. What is the parking spot number? What is the parking spot number? That is the moment to challenge yourself, to stimulate your brain. Yeah. Okay. If you are watching this video, I would like you make a pause to figure out the spot number and you continue watching. So seems like we have a 16, 06, 68, 88. Okay, the missing number and 98 seems like, but in the reality it's not the numbers we are seeing there, which are the parking spot numbers. So in the reality, you have to read the number like this. Why? Because this car has front here and the back here. So if you read the number like this doesn't make sense because there is no order or pattern here can help you to figure out the missing number. Okay, now if you read like this, the first number is not a 98. Okay, I mean by first number this one, but it's 86. So it seems like here we have 86. Missing number, let's assume that we don't know yet that number. Here you're gonna be 88. Here you're gonna be 89. Here you're gonna be 90 and 91. Okay, therefore, what's gonna be the missing number? You know what? Let's put it on top so you can see clearly. Okay, so you have here 86, missing number 88, 89, 90, 91. Therefore, the missing number is 87. Okay, another one. Can you remove too much stick to make below equation correct? Again, seems like we have 8 minus 5 equals 7, which is not true. So we need to manage this equation. We're going to remove too much stick to make the equation correct. Okay, you think about it for a few seconds, and yes, we get the answer. So here, suppose you remove this stick. So we remove this one stick. We need to remove another one, and they're gonna be some here. So the equation becomes 6 minus 5 equals 1, which is correct. Okay, so if you need more video like this, the best thing is to subscribe, and then you can see more of this kind of videos to challenge yourself to keep your brain active. So remember to subscribe. Thank you.